Imagine total 360-degree peace of mind every time you hit the road, or even when you're parked. If you've ever wished your car had eyes everywhere, then get ready, because today we're diving deep into a game changer, the IIWEY N5 4-channel dash cam. This isn't just another dash cam. It's a complete surveillance system for your vehicle, offering unparalleled protection and clarity. Right out of the gate, what truly sets the IIWEY N5 apart is its incredible 4-channel recording capability. We're talking about not just a front camera, but simultaneous 1080p recording from the front, rear, both sides, and the interior of your car. That's 4 crystal-clear feeds, giving you a comprehensive 360-degree view of everything happening around and inside your vehicle. Whether it's an accident from the side, a bump while parking, or ensuring safety during ride shares, the N5 captures every single angle. And for those who want even more detail, there's a 2.5K front mode available. This means no blind spots, no unanswered questions, and undeniable evidence should you ever need it. But what happens when the sun goes down? This is where the IIWEY N5 truly shines. Equipped with 8 powerful IR lamps, this dash cam provides exceptional night vision. These aren't just for show. They actively illuminate the interior and exterior of your vehicle, ensuring that even in complete darkness, your footage remains incredibly clear and detailed. For late-night commuters, rideshare drivers, or anyone concerned about incidents after dusk, this feature is an absolute lifesaver, providing crucial visual evidence that standard cameras simply can't capture. Now, capturing all that footage is great, but accessing it needs to be easy. And the N5 absolutely nails it with its 5 GHz Wi-Fi and free app control. Forget fiddling with tiny SD cards or slow transfers. The N5's built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi offers speeds up to 4 times faster than standard 2.4 GHz connections, letting you quickly connect to the free IIWEY app on your phone. You can instantly preview, download, and share your videos with incredible ease. What's more, IIWEY has you covered from day one by including a free 128 GB SD card right in the box, pre-installed and ready to go. Combined with seamless loop recording, you'll never miss a moment, and storage management becomes completely worry-free. Beyond active driving, the N5 is your silent guardian when parked. Thanks to its integrated G sensor and parking mode, the camera automatically detects any sudden shakes or impacts while your car is off, waking up to record the incident. This means protection against hit and runs, vandalism, or any unexpected events when you're away from your vehicle. It's peace of mind, 24/7. Plus, the use of a supercapacitor instead of a traditional battery ensures greater durability and heat resistance, making it ideal for all climates. The IIWEY N5 isn't just a dash cam. It's an investment in your safety, security, and ultimate peace of mind on the road. With its comprehensive 360-degree view, superior night vision, lightning-fast Wi-Fi, and intelligent parking features, it truly redefines vehicle protection. Don't compromise when it comes to safeguarding your journeys. Find